Hello, well, welcome back to Air Engine Research. Today is Thursday, and I've spent about 4.5 hours this morning finishing up my valves. I got all the 6 valve bodies made now. I just have to put plugs in them where they go, and I've still got to make the exhaust and the intake actual valves that go inside the valve body. I'll probably work on that Friday, but I also have to make another one of these plastic rings where the valve stems go through to where the cam will be on the inside up here. But for now, I'm happy to have just the 6 valve bodies done. I have to use some valve grinding compound and the valve stem and put that in and grind it to get a good seat on the inside of both of them. And then I'm ready to put my springs in, put my plugs in the back, put the seal on it, and then it'll be ready on that part to run. I still have the camshaft and that I'm working on right now, plus my flow control pressure valve that I'm still working on. I decided not to use the pull spring. I'm going to use the compression spring. I think that's much safer. I don't want that thing to stretch out and pop and then who knows where it would go. I don't want to be around it when it does. So for today, it's already going on 4 o'clock, and I was out of the shop for a while, and when I came back in to do this video, I forgot I had turned the air conditioner off. Right now it's almost 105 degrees in here, so I think I'm going to call it a day. Thanks for checking in. Any of you new subscribers, thanks you for subscribing. And if anybody else would like to see what I'm doing, if you subscribe, you'll be notified anytime there's a new video put out. And I've been doing that about every 4 to 5 days maybe. So for now, I'm going to go back in the house where it's cool.